So this is my new lathe. Dad bought it down for Christmas, I guess is what you'd say. I've been trying to get this thing for like 6 months from him. He got it given to him with a whole bunch of old Craftman tools. And he had no use for it, wasn't gonna mess with it. And he finally decided I could have it. But I'm just grateful to have it here finally. First thing that I'm gonna do is build it a new table to set it on, because this one's just not stout enough. It's a Craftman, but Atlas built them for Craftman back in the day, so it's an Atlas. It is a 101.07301. Got a sweet little forward and reverse antique little handle. Speeds here, 4 speeds here, and then it's got this built up on a plate with an adjustable so you can pull the slack out of this first gear belt. It's pretty nifty. I mean, it works, but I just think it could be just a little bit better. But yeah, I'm probably gonna make a metal table. I want to put it on some heavy duty casters, but I don't think you should do that because of the motion. It could move, but hell, this thing's gonna move. Came with a lot of different box of tools and different things. Old book on how to lathe. Another gear set. Box of cutters, chucks, center points. Ugh. I don't know what it is. Wood round thing. I've seen these in a lot of videos, but no one's ever talked about what the hell it is. Looks like so you could probably mount something that isn't round and maybe put a hole in it. Polisher. I don't know what, maybe he was working on something. I don't know what that is. And then this here's got a whole bunch of cutters in it. Extra deal of belts. Some more cutters, I imagine. Yeah, more different kinds of cutters. Lots of stuff. What I'm going to do today, though, is just clean it off, wipe her down with some good oil, try to clean it up a little bit. I just want to play with it. Nice. Well, I like how it still has the little plate in there telling you if you want to cut some threads. This one here can do anywhere from 8 threads all the way up to 96 threads per inch. Yeah. Neato Vegito.